Hi, so today I thought I'd run you through how to set up this workflow, which is to back up your workflows to GitHub. Even if you're on the n8n cloud or you're self-hosting, I think it's important that you back up your workflows and you back them up to somewhere different, like GitHub. So I'll walk you through this and let's get started. So as you can see, I'm logged into n8n. First off, we want to go to templates. We'll then do a search for back up your workflows to GitHub. Okay, the one we want is the top one. Okay, so it looks just like what I had. So we'll click on use for free. Now again, you can import directly into your host, which I would recommend, or you can copy to template and then do the old-fashioned way of going up to the three dots and then going import from file and then selecting that JSON from where you downloaded it to. Okay, so let's go back to the setup. So first off, we need a GitHub account or get the credentials. So to do that, let's see if I can create a new one. Alrighty, so what you need to do is log into GitHub. So just sign in. I already have an account, but if you don't, it's simple to create one. Once you're in, we need to go over here, click on settings. Then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, click on developer settings, and what we want is a personal access token, and then I just go tokens classic. We generate a new token, we give it a name, and then what we need is we need access to the repo. And I think that's about it. Actually, user, delete. We don't want to delete. Yes, that should be it. So we generate the token. We then copy the token. Go back to n8n. And we put our token in there and your username. Okay. Give it a name. Click on save. Okay. We then need to do the same for n8n. So this time we're going to create a new credential. And if we go to n8n, what we'll do is click on your name, go to settings, and then you want the n8n API, and we create a new API. Let's just give it a name. Accept all the scopes. I can't change them, but if you're in the n8n cloud, you can change them, I believe. Click on save. You copy that. Then we go back to where we're doing it. Put our API in. Of course, we give it a name. GitHub demo. And you click on save. Okay. Yep, you need to also put your base API in. So you put your domain name and then /API/v1. Click that, save, and we're good there. Click on continue. And there we go. So we're in. Now what we need to do is change the trigger. So whenever you want, I don't know whether you would do every 2 hours. I do normally once every day at midnight. Got nothing to change there. It's got the account we created. Okay, so what we need to do is edit this node, and we need to change the globals. So the repo owner is your user account. Okay, the repo name is whatever you want to call it. So n8n-backup and then workflows. So what we'll do, we'll go back to GitHub. And what we need to do is actually create a new repository. So let's call it what do I say? n8n-backup. I've already got one, so let's just add demo to the. Okay, we'll copy that. You probably want to make it private. Don't want everyone stealing your good ideas. And that's all we need. Create the repository. We'll go back to n8n, which was here. Change the repo name to that, n8n-backup demo. Then the repo path, you can change it, but it's probably right to leave it as workflows. Okay, and then everything else is done for us. So what we'll do then, save. Then we'll go up to here and click on execute, and then let it go. Okay, as you can see, it's running. This could take me a while because I do have a large number of workflows, so I'm just going to pause it, and then I'll come back to you showing you execution. Okay, so it's still running. If we go to executions, you can see I have a lot of green. Let's click on one. You can see we zoom in that it's processing, it's merging, it's working out whether it's a diff or a new file, checking the status. So the file is new, creating it, and then it's returning back. So if we go actually into our repo and let's refresh. We'll see if we go in the workflows, and there you go. All your workflows are being backed up now. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.